Hi guys, today we're going to make a nature habitat in your own garden. This is what you're going to need. Some corrugated iron and logs. Now, the reason we're doing this is so we can better understand nature and the natural world. Find a place on the edge of your garden, out of the way. Leave it for 2 weeks and let the grass grow around it. This will make an amazing habitat for all sorts of species. So it's been 2 weeks. As you can see, we've let the grass grow around it and filled up the log pile a bit. Just let it grow. See what's under. Okay guys. So, as you can see, we've got a lot of mini beasts. So, wood lice, all sorts of different creatures. I've also got a reptile. Okay, so this is a slow worm, or the Latin name is Angus fragilis. Beautiful creatures. They're a legless lizard and they eat mainly garden pests such as slugs and snails, invertebrates basically. They're beautiful. When you hold a slow worm, make sure you allow it to slither. And when you pick it up, don't pick it up by its tail, otherwise it could come off. Make sure you let it slither freely in your hands. This is a beautiful slow worm.